3 MCQ question I will make you practice. Okay, start solving. First question, I want to. I hope you will be able to answer within 1 or 2 minutes. First question, that is 9 Coke, 9 maths. 9 maths, the length of longest rod that can be put in a room having dimension 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter, 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter is option A, that is 16 meter, option B, that is 15 meter, option C, that is 20 meter, and option D, that is 10 by root 5 meter. Okay, solve it quickly. The length of a longest rod that can be put in a room having dimension 10 meter into 10 meter into 5 meter is option A 60 meter, option B 15 meter, option C 20 meter, and option D 10 by root 5 meter. Okay, which one will be the correct answer? Okay, Amrita has only answer. That is B, option B. Okay, anyone else? Arpit, Ronit Dotto. Okay, very good, Ronit Dotto. Anyone else? 8 students are present here. So I hope so. So maximum you can answer it. Anyone else? Rajanna is not there. Nafisa. Who are here? Amrita Banerjee, Sara Case, Promiti Nasari, Shivam, what are you doing? Shivam, can you hear me? Ashrafuluddin also. Ashrafuluddin, Shivam, Sara Case, Promiti Nasrin. Okay, can you hear me? If you can hear, then try to answer it. If you are not able to answer, just write it down, sir. Solve it, sir. Promiti Nasrin has answered, Shivam has answered, Ashrafuluddin has Sara Case. Sara, can you hear me? Okay, so Ashraful, Shivam and Promiti, can you able to answer? So that is 15, correct answer is 15 meter. Correct answer is 15 meter. First of all, that is length, breadth and height. If you take length, breadth and height, so that room is cuboidal. In a cuboidal room, maximum, the most largest rod that can be put in that room is the diagonal, and we know the diagonal formula of cuboid, that is root of L square plus B square plus H square. Root of L square plus B square plus H square. Okay, so therefore root of L square means that is 100 plus 5. So root of 2 to 5. Square root of 2 to 5 means 15. So 15 meter rod can be put. 15 meter rod can be put there, can be placed there, and it is the largest rod which can be set them. Got it everyone? Any doubt regarding this question? Any doubt regarding this question? Write it down quickly. Next question. Next question. How many? Question number 2. How many packet of dimension? How many packet of dimension 5 centimeter into 20 centimeter, 5 centimeter into 25 centimeter into 10 centimeter can be stored in a pit which is 20 meter long, 6 meter wide, and 50 centimeter deep. Options are option A 480, option B 450, option C 320, and option D 360. Okay, find it out quickly. Just one confusion. I'm just taking that dimension. 5 centimeter 25 into 10. Okay. 20 meter, 6 meter, 25 centimeter. Okay. Solve it quickly. How many packet of dimension 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 10 centimeter can be stored in a pit which is 20 meter long, 6 meter wide, and 50 centimeter deep is 480, 450, 320, and 360. Quickly solve it. Only 2 questions I have solved, and 1 question more I will discuss. Next, I will start. 480, Amrita. Okay, anyone else? So these questions are very much important for your upcoming exam. Okay, for your upcoming exam, what I am discussing here, these are very much important and that may come in your exam. Sir, 480, I am 480. Arpit? No sir, then what? Okay, so 480. So 9 students, I have got answer 1, 2, 3, 4 students. Okay, 4 students answer and 5 are there. 5 are remaining, 4 are remaining there. Okay, now Shivam is typing. Then Suhan. Okay, Shivam answer 3 are remaining. Sara 480. Okay. Anyone that Ashrafuluddin and Promiti. Ashrafuluddin 480 and Promiti Nasrin. Promiti Nasrin answering 320. First of all, Sara, can you hear me? Sara, can you hear me? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sara case, can you hear me? Okay, tell me. Okay, you can hear me. So tell me 5 centimeter into 25 centimeter 10 centimeter. It is a cube. Which shape? Which type of shape it is? Which type of shape it is? 5 centimeter into 20 length, breadth and height. Which type of shape it is? Anyone can say with Sarah, including Sarah. Promiti cuboid, Shivam cuboid, Arpit cuboid, Ashraful Amrita cuboid, okay, and Sarah cuboid, okay, Ronit cuboid, very good. Ashrafuluddin cuboid, very good. Okay, all of you have answered cuboid. So it is a cuboidal. Now, first of all, how many packet can be stored? So maximum we have answered. Maximum we have answered that 480. Let me check. Let me check that packet's volume that is 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter to 10 centimeter. So volume of packet, that in short I am writing volume, that is 5 into 25 into 10 centimeter cube. Okay, it is right. Now volume of the pit, okay, that is 20 meter long, 6 meter wide and 50 centimeter deep. All are in centimeters. So we have to convert it into same unit. So change it at 200 meter to centimeter. We know that 100 to multiply. 200 this 6 into 100 and 50 centimeter. Centimeter cube is the volume. So how many packet can be stored there? So it is divided by the number of packet, 5 into 25 into 10. So let me check first. So 0 remove, 5 remove, okay, 5 4 remove. So I think something is wrong there. Some units are changed there, yes or no? Your answer is 480, but it is volume 20 meter into 100, 6 meter into centimeter, 50 into 50 it is okay. 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Amrita, how will you write that 480? 10, 10, 5, 5 remove 4. Okay, it is coming 480. Okay, let me check that all the dimensions are right or wrong. So it is 5 centimeter, 20 meter, 6 meter and 50 centimeter deep. So 480, 5 into 25 into 10. 5 into 25 into 10, and upper portion, that is 20 meter and 6 meter and 50 centimeter. So it will be 24 into, it is coming 200. 4800 is coming. How you will get Next, third question as well as last question. A circle has dash number of chords. Okay, this time I will not give you the option. Okay, I am giving the option. Option A 4, option B 2, option C infinite, option D none of these. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, option C. It's a very easy question. That is option C, infinite number of chords are there. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, so students, moving on. Now 3 questions I have discussed in your class. Next day I have also another 3 MCQ. Okay, each and every day I will discuss 3 or 4 MCQ. Okay, now moving on the probability chapter. That is the first day I have discussed the basic portion. Basic portion I have discussed. Today I will enter into the exercise. Okay, so in the probability chapter no portion is reduced. So first exercise, that is 15.1. That is 15.1. Exercise number 15.1. So first question is given. In a cricket, listen it carefully. In a cricket match, batswoman hit 6 bounds 6 times out of 30 balls. Find the probability that he didn't hit the boundary. Okay. So total number of, in this question, total number of balls. That is equal to 30. Total number of balls 30. Numbers of boundary. That is 5 or 6. 6. And number of times batsman didn't hit. Number of times batswoman did not hit. Okay, hit did not hit. Okay, how many times he could not hit? How many times he? Yes, 24. Because 30 minus 6, that is 24. Okay, so what is the probability? What is the probability they hit a boundary? What is the probability? It is C. Did not hit boundary. That equal to, did not hit boundary, that equal to total balls 30, 26. Okay, reduce it, you will get, that is 4 by 5. So it is the probability of the first question. First of all, students, if you have any doubt, then you can say. I will try to solve your doubt. Have you any doubt? The total number of balls 30. So 6 ball he hits boundary. It means 24. He will not hit the boundary. Okay, he didn't hit the boundary. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now question number 2. Okay, almost time is at the end. Next day we will again continue it because I have to take in the attendance also.